ओके सो अब हम करने वाले हैं Honda Elevate का ड्राइव रिव्यू वीडियो. So welcome to this video for the ride review of Honda Elevate. This is the top model on automatic, CVT automatic with paddle shifters. I am a manual driver. मैंने हमेशा से manual चलाया, but this is the automatic. So let's see how how do I handle it. तो अब हम इसका प्रॉपर रिव्यू करने वाले हैं. द मेन फीचर्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट आर द क्रूज कंट्रोल एंड द एडास फीचर्स, जो आपको स्टीयरिंग के राइट साइड में मिल जाता है. ये क्रूज कंट्रोल है. दिस इज वेयर यू कैन सेट फॉर इट टू इंक्रीज, कैंसिल एंड देन डिक्रीज. ये लेन कीप असिस्ट है, जो छोटा बटन है. दिस इज लेन कीप असिस्ट एंड दिस इज हाउ फार यू वांट द कार टू बी. दैट मीन्स आपके आगे कोई गाड़ी चल रही होगी, आपको वाइल इन क्रूज कंट्रोल हाउ फार डू यू वांट योर व्हीकल टू बी एज कम्पेयर टू द वन दैट इज फ्रंट ऑफ यू. तो ये फीचर्स, these are the main features that we are going to test right now on this busy road. So let's go. The car is in drive and right, that's how we go. Okay, first up is we're going to start cruise control. The best thing is कि इसमें cruise control 35 से start हो जाता है. I'm cruising at 28 now. Once I hit 35, I'm going to turn that on. Okay, so let's turn cruise control on. ठीक है, ये आपका 35, 34, see 32. Okay, so the cruise control is on. And since this has ADAS level 2, if there is any vehicle in front of it, it'll brake, it'll slow down automatically, and once you are away from that vehicle, या अगर वो speed up होती है तो आपकी गाड़ी भी speed up हो जाएगी. I'm at 35. I've set my vehicle to be this much far, as you can see on the screen, and ये उतना level maintain करके चलेगी सामने वाली गाड़ी से. तो ये ना उसके और बाजू में जाएगी ना उससे दूर जाएगी. It will keep up the 35 km/h speed, and based on the vehicle that is speeding in front of me, it will go. Now that vehicle has gone, and this is still at 35. So if I increase my speed, I've set it to be at 40. Now we're going to have a braking there, so the vehicle brakes itself, and once it is all clear, it'll again go. So I'm absolutely not pressing any brake or accelerator pedals. This is how the ADAS functions along with cruise control in this car. Now, since that is gone, this will maintain the speed of 40 km/h, and yeah, that's the adaptive cruise control feature that you get. That's the level of comfort that it offers. आपको बम्प्स भी आएंगे तो उतना पता नहीं चलने वाला है. इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी स्मूथ ऑन दोज बम्प्स एज वेल. एंड अगर आप स्पीड भी करते हो, इफ़ यू रियली पिक इट अप, सो आई एम गोइंग टू शिफ्ट इट डाउन. राइट नाउ आई एम ऑन 4. Just to hit it at 3000 RPM, I'll shift it to manual third and then we'll hit. But you wouldn't feel there isn't a pull, but the car still goes that fast. So I'm on third and I would accelerate. There isn't a pull that noticeable, but it would still go. And at every 3000 RPM, if I'm shifting it, it's amazing. So I'm at the max, which is manual 6. I'm going to downshift and gradually stop at the left. So हम टेस्ट करने वाले हैं इसका स्पोर्ट्स मोड and how it drives in the sports mode, how sporty it feels. I'm not sure if you can hear the voice. I'm not sure if you can hear all the voice, but इसकी आवाज़ भी change होगी. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use paddle shifters when I switch it to sports mode. तो अब मैं इसको sports में डालने वाला हूँ. ठीक है, so ये sports में चली गई, वहाँ पर S आ रहा है, and I'm going to use paddle shifters. So this is SM3 manual third gear, fourth. And I'm not going to take my leg off the pedal. Right. Lane departure assist, मेरे को warning आई है. I'm shifting it on every 3000 RPM just to maintain the match the speeds. And I am at the top, which is SM6. It does give me lane departure warnings, but hey, I still want a departure, right? great, yaar. To make the car go down, we're going to test a few off-road changes, few off-road settings. So let's see how this performs. Although it is 220 or so mm in the ground clearance, but the wheelbase is pretty long. Still, let's see how it performs when it comes to deep dives. Alright, so let's test some off-road challenges in this car. I'm going to switch it to sports. ठीक है, हम sports में हैं और गाड़ी उतारने वाले हैं. So let's see how that goes. Okay, that's a good feeling. Okay, so ये ऊपर नीचे, मतलब इसका जो सस्पेंशन है, although you would feel कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, but it is really smooth. अब नोज डाइव होने वाली है कार थोड़ी सी, and from the outside as well you'll be able to see कि कितने अच्छे से ये नीचे उतरती है and how well does it perform when going up again. Okay, and all this without any accelerator, so I'm only handling the brake pedals. मैंने accelerator touch भी नहीं किया, but yeah, that's the performance, man. Perfect. So currently I'm on a slope, गाड़ी backward slope पे, like on a hill assist पे खड़ी है गाड़ी. I'm not pressing any brake pedal and I'm not pressing any accelerator. गाड़ी आप देख सकते हैं ड्राइव में है and I don't have to do absolutely anything. The car is on a descend kind of hill slope, so I haven't done anything, but because of the hill assist, गाड़ी ऐसे ही खड़ी है, it is not moving. If I hit it to go, it will definitely go, and the hill assist is kicking in. And if I just stop, the car will stop. And then if I leave the brake pedal and if the car is not on a hill assist, तो वो चलेगी आगे. लेकिन अगर वो हिल पे रहेगी और हिल assist on होगा तो वो नहीं चलेगी, वो बस रुकी भी रहेगी. So right now I'm on a slope, इसलिए वो चल नहीं रही है. It's just standing there. वरना it's an automatic car. If it is a clear road, it'll definitely go. Now we're going to test the lane keep assist, which activates on 72 kilometers an hour, and see now it is on. So if the car goes that side, it is automatically turning itself. I'm not going to touch the steering wheel, and yeah, so it's turning automatically and I'm not going to do anything. Here's my hands, and that was the warning that it gives, and it does everything automatically. तो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं करना है, बस अगर बहुत ज़्यादा कहीं ड्रिफ्ट हो रही है गाड़ी तो मुझे कंट्रोल करना है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, एज फार एज द इंडिकेटर्स आर देयर, देखो आपको यहाँ पर इंडिकेशन भी आएगा. सो दैट वाज द लेन कीप असिस्ट. So that was pretty much it about the car. Let me know in the comment section below what you liked, what you did not, और अगर आपको लगता है मैंने कुछ भी मिस कर दिया या मैंने नहीं बताया तो please let me know and I will make sure to cover it in my next video. But do share, like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for further updates.